Hello friends, today I am presenting you some functionalities added and updated in BP login sales invite create. So now this is BP login. I am clicking sales option and again clicking sales invite create. Now sales invite create page is open along with added and updated functionality. Added fields are material, quantity, batch and Discount percentage field also added here and view promotions option also added. After clicking on view promotions, running secondary schemes are appearing and here info option shortcut keys which can be used during invoice creation process, user can use it like as Alt C for calculate invoice detail, Alt R for review, Alt V for save, enter, Alt I add, Alt L clear. So now I am going to create an invoice. Here retailer name user can use by name if he knows the name. After clicking on retailer F4 filter, all active retailer list are appearing. If user wants to search by retailer name, so he can using retailer name along with the star. Now I am using shortcut key enter for search this retailer. So now I am clicking on enter option. After clicking on enter, particular retailer name is coming. Now I am select the retailer here. Here material field added here. User can search retailer material like as GDC or GDP. If he knows any material number, so he can also search by material number. If user wants to search by standard SKU like that rupees 5, so all 5 rupees material will be appear like that GDC 5 rupees. Here materials some are coming. So now I'm selecting here by using tab option. After clicking on tab, particular material is selected. Now I'm putting the invoice quantity, batch, user if he wants to change the pieces or carton or bag or pieces, so he can change. Now I click using Alt I for add this material. After using Alt I, materials is added below. User can add more material by using same process after using Alt I option. User also can enter material below the material box like that using same process. Now I putting the invoice quantity. If user clicking on calculate means user will have to click on calculate this invoice detail. So now I am clicking or calculate by using a shortcut key Alt C.